What's going on? Today I'm going to share with you guys a huge shop upgrade. We've been crushing it on Etsy lately. It's time to make some year-end purchases, and this is mine. So we got the Dewalt DWS 779 12-inch sliding miter saw. Huge shop upgrade for me. Going to replace a lot of tools, save a lot of time. So be sure to stick around for the whole video because I'm going to show you not only how to set this up, but I'm going to make a bunch of test cuts and I'm going to measure them to show you how accurate this is right out of the box. All right, enjoy. Okay, so we got these saw mounting brackets on the saw. It said to not tighten these all the way until you actually clip this onto the saw stand, and then you'll do it. So we're gonna go ahead and try to put this onto the heavy-duty stand that came with it. Alright, this is what the new setup looks like. Got the stand, Got this awesome new miter saw. This thing is awesome. Cannot wait to make some cuts. Here's what I had before, if you're wondering. The old Delta Shopmaster. Not a whole lot going on as far as complexity. Smaller blade, no sliding. So I got a huge cut capacity now compared to what I did have. I got a blade cover again. This one, the little connector failed mid-cut and it kind of exploded. That was exciting. So let's make some test cuts, huh? So one of the reasons I wanted this exact saw is that there are positive stops built into this. So just come over here, push this button, and you're sliding along this plate. So there's 45. See, we got these other angles here. Got 31.6. Got 22.5 here. Even got 15. Boom, there's 0. And over this way, we've got another positive stop at 45 on the bevel. So real quick, we're gonna go ahead and check and see if this is square out of the box and cutting at 90. Looking perfect. So that's good. So now I have tilted the saw to the left over to the positive stop at 45, and we're going to cut the 45-degree bevel, see how it feels, and then give it a measure. The cut felt great, everything looks smooth, doesn't look like it needs any sanding, and it's fitting together really, really well. Definitely very encouraging, especially for this stock blade that's come on this thing. This isn't even a higher tooth density blade that's going to cut a finer angle, so really pumped so far. Taking some time to measure the other angles. Looks like the 45-degree bevel is really, really close, if not smack on. So this is great. Just with the stock blade that's on here, I'm getting super smooth, accurate cuts. I got way more fence than I had before. These things adjust really, really easily. So I just kind of have one last thing to do here. One thing I could not do before with my miter saw is do anything more than like a 5.5-inch cut capacity without flipping the piece. So this piece is 8.5 inches across. The saw can do more. This is what I have laying around that I'm willing to cut in half, basically. As you can see, it's through it like butter, no problem, super accurate. That's going to do it for today's video. Thanks for coming on this journey and sharing this moment of a huge upgrade with me. Go ahead and like this video if you liked it, or go ahead and subscribe if you want to see more like this. Take care.